Teenagers who committed violent murders decades ago will be resentenced thanks to a U.S. Supreme Court ruling. It affects 100 cases across Illinois. WAND I-Team reporter Doug Wolfe is live tonight at the Macon County Courthouse, where he's learned at least 4 killers will face resentencing here. Doug?
Dawn, this involves 2 cases and 4 killers in cases that were closed 20 to 30 years ago. They were bloody, violent murders.
This is a characteristic of an execution-style homicide.
Contrell Williams and Tyrone Humphrey convicted of the random 1994 murders of Shane Storm and Matthew Whitaker and the convenience store slaying of Sherry Ellis. Rodney Baltimore and Gary Clark convicted in the 1984 murders of Prentice and Effie Kerfman in their Decatur home. All 4 sentenced as teenagers to automatic terms of life in prison without parole. All 4 now required to be resentenced under an order from the U.S. Supreme Court.
I think it was a matter with the decision that with juveniles shouldn't be treated the same as adults, and that these automatic life sentences weren't fair to the juveniles.
Old court files will be dusted off as all 4 will be resentenced.
Go back and revisit all the facts of the case, pull the police reports. We keep all that murder cases forever. We don't throw those away. So we can dig them out of the attic and go back through them.
State's Attorney Jay Scott will be seeking life terms once again.
We believe in the cases from this county that the sentences that were imposed were the appropriate sentences, so we would go for that again.
All 4 have been in prison for years. It will be Scott's job to make sure they don't walk the streets of Decatur ever again.
I mean, it's possible a judge could give them a sentence which would let them out at this point. We hope, we're going to try to see that that doesn't happen.
Violent murder, with the Supreme Court opening the door to new sentences. Resentencing dates have not been set. For the I-Team, I'm Doug Wolfe, WAND News.